Hey guys, I'm Noemi, co-founder of Snapo. I'm thrilled to have you here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with Snapo and create amazing product images within a few seconds, and most importantly, with zero prompting knowledge. My background, it's not in design. I am an advertiser. What we wanted to do for you guys is, if you already have an Amazon listing and you want to improve your images, or if you already have an e-commerce store, what you would normally need to do is learn prompting, understand prompting. So this is why I was very discouraged and frightened, because the first thing in my mind was, oh no, I have to learn one more new skill set that I don't want to waste time on. Snappo was created for that type of people like I am, who don't want to learn a skill set, yet still generate super beautiful images within seconds with the help of AI. In this video, I want to walk you through something specific that we have in Snappo that I have not seen yet in other AI image generation software. This is our templates. So our templates you can find in all three styles: create, image, product, composing. You can find them here on the bottom mid left side. Once you click within templates, you're going to see a few pre-created templates for you. In this case, I just clicked within the template. I asked it to create a product on white. And here you can specify if you have a specific product that you want AI to create from scratch, or you can choose from whatever we already have here. Let's say in this case, I'm going to create a vase. And as you can see, just within a few seconds, Snappo generated a beautiful vase on a white background, studio, soft shadows, high-end commercial style. All these things you don't need to know. What you need to do is just click within the template and then choose whatever you want to create. Once you generated whatever you were looking for, you can go to styling the product and then adding it within specific scenes if you want to. But most importantly, the template section is so you have a better idea how does prompting works, and then which are the most important elements your image that your prompt, quote-unquote template here, needs to have in order for Snappo to understand. For example, let's say that in this case, we created the vase, right? We also have lifestyle scene. In this scenario, whenever you see product, just click on product because it's a placeholder, and then add your own product. In this case, I still want to have it create a vase, but this time it's going to be a vase in a living room. I'm going to click create, wait just a few seconds, and Snappo is going to generate a beautiful living room with that vase. Amazing. I absolutely love it. What if I create 3 images this way? I'm just going to choose how many images I want. I'm going to leave it at the current size, and then I'm going to click create. And as you can see, just within a few seconds, Snappo generated 3 different live scene images for us. Again, the vase is there. It's very similar to the vase that we had. It's not the exact vase because we did not give an actual reference image to use. But as you can see, it created 3 different images at once. So if you want to work at scale, you can definitely check out the number of images, how many images should be created at the same time. I'm going to go back to create image, and I'm going to choose a template, and here dark and dramatic. This is going to be great if you want to create that beautiful cinematic effect, especially for high-end products. For example, this perfume bottle looks amazing. Maybe I want to change my background. So here it says change background to change product color to gold. This is super cool. I love this one. And this is a very easy template for you to use. Basically what you would do is tell Snappo to change only the product color, nothing else, which is absolutely amazing. If you have variations that are different color, this is going to be honestly a goldmine for you, because you don't have to. Just check it out. In a few seconds, Snappo generated for us exactly the same vase, only in gold. Absolutely love it. All right, how about change the vase color to black? And just within a few seconds, you will see how Snappo is generating the vase in black. Sometimes, because the AI is still hallucinating, it will change the whole background to black. In this case, it did not, so I'm happy. But in case that is something that's happening in your case, what you would do here, just to assure, again, no real prompting needed, is just letting it know, hey, I don't want the black background, I want a white background. What you would do, just write that. You do your thing. I'm just telling you, I want it specifically that way. There you go. Right now, it just transformed everything into black background. I said white background. Occasionally, I'm just leaving this in to show you that occasionally it can be that the AI itself is hallucinating. It's nothing with the prompt. So one more very cool feature, it is changing this to seasonal theme. So once that you click within, what you will see here, the template itself, is going to allow you to choose Christmas, Easter, fall, Halloween, New Year, spring, summer, Valentine's Day, winter. And then what we can do is we're just clicking within, even if it says only product right now. I'm just curious to see if it's going to keep the same product or not. Usually it does, but I am advising to, whenever you see product, just use it as a placeholder. I love it. And really important, the product, it's exactly the same. It's placed exactly in the same place. Let's say, how about Valentine's Day? So I love Snappo, how quickly it can change everything while keeping the product exactly as is, which is a lot of time saving. All right, so Valentine's. It just put a red background. I'm happy with that. We can also add hearts and so on. I'm not necessarily going to do that. Let's say for fall, what's the outcome? You can definitely play around and see which one fits best. Oh, this is so pretty. So it just changed it into a fall scene. Brilliant. Again, I did not do anything else, any prompting. I chose my template. One more really cool template is the liquid splash. This is especially good if you have energy drinks. This is going to give you this very cool effect of a liquid splash on the bottle. I love that one. So one more cool feature that you might be using quite often. Let's say that this time this is my product, right? So right now it is in a kitchen scene. Let's say that I want to use that one as reference. So I'm going to use this as reference. And this is going to be great for you in case your manufacturer or supplier just took a quick photo of your product and they are sending it that way. What you could do in that case, simply just ask Snapo to place the product on white. And once it does that, you can very quickly upload that image to Amazon. It's the same product, just on a white background. And that's a wrap. Hopefully by the end of this video, you understand better how to use our templates. If you understand how to use templates, 80 to 90%, you are good to go to create your very first product images and just upload them to Amazon or any e-commerce platform of your choice.